Okay, so what time is it? It's 2:40 time. So today I'm going to be installing these front dash cover, and the reason for this is to prevent like cracking inside the dash. So if you park your car outside, you're going to have all these cracks in the sun because of the extreme heat. Because mine haven't cracked yet, which is pretty good. So today I'm going to install these one and see how it works. Okay, but I gotta move this first. And what else? I think that's pretty much it. Okay, I'm gonna remove it now. Alright, so I removed the gauges off because it's in my way. So, and here's what the product looks like. You know, the way how it works is they have these I think at the bottom they have a sticky adhesive right here, and then you put it on a dash and it sticks right there. I put one right here again. So I'm gonna do that right now. So make sure it's on the right way. I believe it's this way. Okay, hold up. So I got it installed, and this is what it should really look like at the end. You know, you want to kind of like, you know, adjust it. So like I said, underneath here you have these sticky adhesive. You know, you can just remove these, move it up the dash carpet, and you kind of like adjust it. So mine looks pretty good. This is what it looks like. Since I park my car outside and it gets hot sometimes, you know, this will help protect your car from the dash from getting damaged. So this is what the final product looks like. You know. So I hope this video is kind of like helpful for someone out there. I know most of the 240 out there have cracked dash, but this will help prevent it. So just need some adjusting and it's all good, like that. You know, kind of like that. So yep, I think that's it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up because I think it looks really cool.